I hope that you all are doing well. So, and welcome to all you on our topic. Like today's topic is English language should be unofficial or not. So, first of all, let me thank you all for coming here today. So, according to me, it should not be official language. Why? Because if we choose it, it would be official language. So we have to face a lot of problem in villagers because they don't know. They don't know everything has in written. If I take example of machinery thing, there is written only in English language. Okay. So, yeah, brother, please mute your mic, sir. Okay. So it must not be an official language. Actually, if I talk about like India, so in India, every state has their official language. Like Tamil Nadu has a Tamil Nadu language. Gujarat has a Gujarati is spoken there, and Tamil is Maharashtra. In Maharashtra, Marathi is spoken. And if I talk about like Bihar, so Bhojpuri is spoken. There is a 2 and 3 languages spoken. I'm not sure what language is spoken. So it would not be better for us. It should be official language. That is my point.
Actually, sir, I would like to interrupt you. I will connect this meeting again. I have to do something. Okay?
Yeah, of course. No worries.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So yeah, I told my opinion. So let you start, sir. Yeah, Mr. Kam.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what do you think? It could be an official language or not?
My opinion is English language not should be official language because now time India is not to achieve the full literacy. So Indian government and common people promoted in a local language as a Bhojpuri, Hindi, Marathi, Gujarati, so on. Right?
Okay.
First of all, and second of in Indian culture have many in our country have many our country have already many language. So if any people try to approval by English official language, then common people not be accepted because they have not enough knowledge of in English language. So
Okay.
I say English language not should be official language. Third point. Indian politician is not to accepted in a foreign culture because they have already promoted in a local language. Like as first of all, state created by in a language basis in Andhra Pradesh in a Tamil. So and some leaders is promoted in a local language. So I think India is not too ready in accepted in English official language.
Okay. So you think that like Hindi language should be promoted?
No. Local language is promoted.
Okay, local language. So, oh, that's good. You told your opinion so nicely. So it's turn to come, Jan sir. So tell your opinion, sir. It should be banned on. It should be unofficial or not.
So friends, I don't know much about this topic, but I will give you my opinion. Like all of you has said that India is a big country, and there are many states like Bengal, Odisha, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala, Telangana, Gujarat, and 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 in all the states there is a there is a local language. So all the government's works should be done in the local language, and all the international works, like somebody is going to make a passport in the office, that work should be done in English language. But all the state government, they should do their work in their local language. Like take the example of Bengal government should do all the works in Bengali language. Take the example of Tamil Nadu, they should do all the government works in Tamil language. So my opinion is that all the states that are in India, they should promote their local language. And when a person is going to abroad, when a person is going to visit foreign country, then only he should use English language. Then that was my point.
Okay, that's good. Uh, you have given your best point. Okay, so it's time to come, Chirag, brother.
Yes, sir. So, good evening, friends, and
Evening.
my name is Chirag, and today's topic is should
Should English
is official
be
language of
yeah.
India or not? So,
Yeah.
I would like to give some suggestion and my view. So,
Yeah.
there are so many reasons I am against this topic, because if we will do, so first we have illiterate people's 30% average in India. So they don't know literacy. They have no good literacy. And we have different religion and different language in all states, like Marathi, Gujarati, Hindi, Tamil. So, and language is only the source of the to communicate. If we will insist English language as an official, then the people who don't know English language, they have definitely in futures difficulty to communicate, to correspondence in the any official document or any personal documents or personal deed. So they feel they definitely they feel uncomfortably, and it will create huge damage on our business and economics. So it should not be official language. That's
Okay,
it.
it should not be official language. Okay,
That's
so
it from my side.
so I'm saying something. I want to add in your point. Actually, if you are doing job, if you have completed your graduation in IT in IT field, so you got a chance to do job in a South Indian in Hyderabad, and you don't know at all about English. So how can you do job there, sir? So what is the solution? What can you do after getting job there?
Sir, sir. First of all, you, in this situation is a secondary, not a primary. First of all, the priority is the India.